Hi, we're trying something new. This is Orit Esther Riter here to present the Daily Dose of Emuna. So guess what? It's Elul. It's Teshuvah time. It's that time of the year where we're required to admit our mistakes, go into that place of pain, have to dig deep, go into the fracture, and determine how can I make my way to healing and wholesomeness. It's the time of year where Hashem shines down his 13 midas, so to speak, of compassion. And he says, I want you back. I want you so badly to come back. Don't be afraid to look back and see the mistakes. Look at the transgressions and use it as a jumping board to be able to come closer to me. Don't be afraid and get stuck in your disappointments and say, I shouldn't have done that. Go beyond that. Go deeper. Find the godly spark that brings you vitality, that helps your heart beat every day, that makes your hair shine and glow every moment. That's the godly spark. That's the place that Hashem wants us to reach. And you can only get to that through really searching soul introspection and not being afraid of the mistakes that we once did in hindsight, because we're all human. We're all living under human condition, and Hashem knows it. And that's why he gives us this opportunity. Elul, ani ledodi v'dodi li. Hashem says, I'm here for you. Don't worry, I'm not leaving you. My love for you is unconditional. It feels really good to let go of that extra spiritual weight. Think about how you feel when you finally let go of that physical weight of yours. Don't you feel lighter? That's the way we're supposed to feel in Elul as we go through the process in Elul of letting go of that spiritual weight. So take the opportunity. Let's all of us embrace every moment that we can in Chodesh Elul. And let's not waste any moment. Let's use the opportunity of Hashem's divine light to really come close to him, to make every moment a truthful moment. So let's get to work. Let's roll up our sleeves and let's take advantage. And I'm wishing you lots of luck in finding a new dimension of you that awaits to be revealed after and throughout the whole Teshuvah process. We're all in it together. Let's get started. Have a great day filled with Emuna smiles.